I'm the kind of person that needs to be active. I need time in the outdoors to explore and experience adventure. I decided I need a solo hiking trip. I landed on Zion. I applied for a permit to hike the subway in Zion, but the weather forecast looks iffy, so as a backup plan, I'm thinking observation point. The entire drive down to Zion was through a snowstorm. I'm a little worried the weather won't clear up for my hiking and astrophotography plans. I took the Jeep on a cool off-road trail that also ended up being a shortcut to Springdale, Utah, where Zion National Park is. The trail was quite rugged, but nothing the Jeep couldn't handle. Best of all, it was a beautiful landscape with almost no one around. Off-roading with the Jeep was so much fun, but I spent more time on these trails than I planned. I think I should get to observation point just in time for sunset. The hike to observation point was great. I was able to watch the sunset and get some good photos. The entire hike back was in the dark. I missed out on a few things I had planned, like hiking the subway. And the bad weather made astrophotography impossible. I think I'll try to come back next year to hike the subway. On the bright side, I was able to go for a good hike and was able to go off-roading with the Jeep. It was nice to spend time outdoors. So I think, overall, it was a good weekend.